Why did the toilet join the track team? Because it was always running anyway. With my dad jokes aside, toilets are one of the most common sources of hidden water leaks. Here's how to check if yours is running. First, remove the tank lid. Add a few drops of food coloring or a leak detection dye tablet into the water tank. Wait 10 to 15 minutes without flushing. If you see any color in the bowl, that means water is leaking from the tank. Need to fix it? It is often caused by a worn out flapper valve, which is usually an easy and inexpensive fix. A simple test like this can save hundreds of gallons each month and lower your water bill.